so that no foreign nation will even entertain the dangerous thought of starting over these 3,000 miles of ocean towards us. Today, many of our citizens, consciously or unconsciously, are considering peace or war with the totalitarian government. And the most vital realism in all our relations with the world
we welcome change and openness, for we believe that freedom and security go together, that the advance of human liberty can only strengthen the cause of world peace. There is one sign the Soviets can make that would be unmistakable, that would advance dramatically the cause of freedom and peace.
There is no constitutional issue here. The command of the Constitution is plain. There is no moral issue. It is wrong, deadly wrong, to deny any of your fellow Americans the right to vote in this country.
I shall not stand in the bad state of Massachusetts nor the state of New York by saying that the people of those states will declare our helpless impotency as a nation to attend to our own business. It is the issue of 1776 over again. Our ancestors, when but really young, had the courage to declare their political independence of every other nation upon earth.